Our AEM1 wireless acoustic emission monitoring system is the latest product developed by Corums Limited, which can achieve unattended equipment monitoring. And this video helps you to know M1 quickly about how to connect the hardware, how to configure our AEM1, how to connect the hardware and software through Wi-Fi, how to collect acoustic emission data. First, what we need to prepare are a laptop, M1 monitor, communication connector, power adapter, antenna, sensor, signal cable, coupling agent, pencil, workpiece, Wi-Fi router, configuration software, and SWAE data analysis software. Step 1. Connect the hardware. Spread a little coupling agent on the contact surface of the sensor. Install the sensor on the workpiece. Install the communication connector on the M1. Align and press down the connector. And then place the M1 in an appropriate position. Use a signal cable to connect the sensor to the sensor connector of M1. Please note that the required voltage of the preamplifier inside the sensor must match with the phantom power voltage from M1, which can be found on the M1 label. Connect the antenna to the antenna connector on the M1 and place the antenna in an open position for receiving Wi-Fi signals. Connect the M1 power adapter to supply power. Step 2. Configure our AEM1. First, use the Ethernet cable connection to change M1 to connect to a Wi-Fi router. After connecting to the Wi-Fi network, then connect the Ethernet cable of M1 to the laptop and turn on M1. Change the Ethernet IPv4 address of the laptop to have the same network portion of M1 to be able to communicate with M1. The default IP address of M1, 192.168.0.101. So we can set laptop to be 192.168.0.100. So that the laptop and our AEM1 are on the same network. Open the M1 configuration software. Wait a few seconds. M1 device information will be identified automatically and shown in the software. Click Network Settings, Wi-Fi Settings, select Routing Mode, and input the Wi-Fi ID and password into the corresponding box. When selecting the appropriate Wi-Fi network, please make sure the network portion of the Wi-Fi cannot be the same as that of the Ethernet IPv4 of M1. Here we use Wi-Fi router IPv4 is 192.168.3.x. Click Sample Settings, and fill in the sample mode and sample parameters according to your own requirements. Click Storage Settings, select NO for all data storage. In U3H server, select Yes to send U3H, Yes to send wave and Yes to send parameter, select Use IP at address type, select NO to transfer data in slow mode. Input the laptop Wi-Fi IPv4 in the ID address. You can find the laptop Wi-Fi IPv4 address in the property of the connected Wi-Fi, port number 18883. Select the device on the right side and click Set Device. In the window that appears, click Settings. Right-click the device and click Reboot the device, then remove the network cable. Wait for M1 to reboot. M1 will automatically connect to Wi-Fi. When the laptop and M1 are both connected to the Wi-Fi, M1 will show up in the configuration software again but with a new IPv4 address. Step 3. How to connect M1 and SWAE software. Open SWAE software. Click the logo to check if the software supports RAM1, if not, click Yes to switch the software version. Click Hardware and Sample Settings, ISAE Settings. Delete the default device. The IP address is the laptop IP address, and you can find the laptop IP address in the property of the connected Wi-Fi. Port number 18883. Click Refresh. M1 device information will appear in the window. Click Saving to change the name information of the parameters and waveform file as well as the save location of the file. Then click OK. Click View Waveform window to change the waveform window to display single channel. Step 4. Data collection. Click Hardware and Sample to collect data. Take breaking lead signals on the workpiece. At this time, the lead breaking signal can be seen on the software. Click Stop to complete the collection and the file will be automatically saved in the corresponding folder. This is the brief operation guide of M1. Find more information, please visit www.andt.com.